everyone. Animal sound. Let's see the first one. Dog, bark, cat, meow, cow, moo, duck, quack, sheep, baa, pig, oink. See the next one. Horse, neigh, elephant trumpet, lion roar, tiger growl, monkey chatter or gibber, frog ribbit, owl hoot, bee buzz, cricket chirp. Please like, share and subscribe. Now let's solve the worksheet. Cat meow, goat bleat, dog bark, cow moo, hen cluck. These are the answers. Let's see the next worksheet. Horse neigh, duck quack, lion roar, elephant trumpet, frog ribble. Please like, share and subscribe.